Hello everyone. Today we are going to this study about the social study book Democratic Politics Part 2, and the lesson's name is Federalism. We are going to study how to write questions and answer in the examinations. So our aim is to get good marks. That's why we are working towards it. So let us proceed. Here on this screen you will see two segments. The first will be question and the second will be answer. So let us go for the question first. Why was there a change in the Constitution of Belgium? And the answer is, there was a change in the Constitution of Belgium to reduce the power of central government and to give these powers to regional government. Next question. When did the change in the Constitution of Belgium occur? The answer is, the change in the Constitution of Belgium occurred in 1993. Next, what is the federal form of government? In the federal form of government, the powers of central government rests with the state government and not with the central government. So this is called the federal form of government. Now the next question. We will have the question and then the answer. So the next question is, what do you mean by unitary system of government? And the answer is, in the unitary system of government, the national government has all the powers. Fifth question. On the basis of your study, give examples of federal and unity governments. Such questions are also asked in the examination, and this is somewhat practical question. It is based on your memory. So you have to answer this question in this manner. Look here. This is your answer. Federal government is in Belgium and Sri Lanka, has the unitary system of government. Next is, write about the federal system in your own words. So this is your answer. Federal system divides powers between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. Now the next question is, on the basis of your study, write the differences between federal and unity governments. Unitary government is one level of government. There are subunits also, but they follow the orders of central government. Only central government passes the orders. In federal government, central government cannot order state government. In the first three lines we studied about the central government, and now we are studying about the state governments. State government has powers of its own. Federal government is not answerable to central government. Write the key features of federalism. This is somewhat important question, and it is a bit longer also. So here is your answer. There are two or more levels of government. Each level of government has its own jurisdiction in specific matters of legislation, taxation, and administration. Constitution specifies every tier of government, and each tier is guaranteed by Constitution. Fundamental changes are done by the consent of both the levels of government. Courts interpret the laws in case of dispute on any act of state. It is the highest court who decides. Financial autonomy is given to each level of government. Federal systems safeguard and promote unity of country. Now the next is, what are the roots of the formation of federation? And the answer is, there are two kinds of roots of the federation was formed. The first is, independent states comes together to make a bigger unit, and the second is, a large state decides to divide its powers between the constituent states and the national government. मतलब जो स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र होते हैं वो एक साथ एक बड़ी यूनिट बनाते हैं, और कुछ जो बड़ा राष्ट्र होता है वो छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स बना देता है. Name the countries where the independent states coming together to form a federation. The answer is, these countries are USA, Switzerland, and Australia. Now the next is, this is also important. So the question is, what is the peculiarity of the states in the first type of federation? The answer is, in the first type of federation, all the constituent states have equal powers and are strong in relation to the federal government. What are the states that are in the example of holding together? So we have seen two types of states here, coming together and holding together. So in the previous question we studied about the coming together, where the independent states came in order to frame a large unit. Now the holding together. States which are in the holding together category, these are India, Spain, and Belgium. What happened? India is a big country and several states are there, and they are united by the central government. What do you mean by jurisdiction? This is a very important question, and the answer is, the area over which someone has legal authority. The area may be defined in terms of geographical boundaries or in terms of certain kinds of subjects. That is called jurisdiction. So with this we come to the end of our subject. I hope you all liked the video and will continue in our next lessons also. Till then, bye bye.